I have to film. It's my first time.
Oh, you're vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
Plastic bag.
Asa ito na? 299. 299.
Kuan mo na siya kaklase ma'am. Samgyeopsal, belly part, gawin isa para sa muscle part, maksal na part, pag nandiyan sa
Okay. No idea, pero nai rice, okay. Tapos kimchi, japchae, vegetable. Hindi ko mag-send mix so magkuhan ko. 4 seasons na lang. 4 season nga juice. Thank you. So na sila mag-reference na. Okay.
They need to check your passport via where you
Thank you. Lagi. Kimchi, di ba? Kimchi. Kini, sauce. This one.
What is inside here?
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Kini. Onions and I don't know. Host is cooking na. Sorry, I have to film. It's my first time.
Oh, you're vlogging.
I'm vlogging. Long time manggod na wala pa takaan.
Oh,
It's been like after graduation, no? Wala natin nagkita. Tama ba? Hindi manggod.
yes, after graduation. Okay, the last time we went out together was after graduation.
Yeah.
Like,
Actually, lutuan ko din mo ang ano, lutuan doon. Like, vegetable. Ang kimchi?
no, okay,
Okay. Pati ang rice. The rice is different. The rice is kind of sticky. Kanang pilit niyo? Is this pilit? Ano this Korean food?
huh?
Pilit?
Sticky rice.
Sticky. Kanang pilit na ito ba? Or the biko?
Not our Philly, it's not our Philly.
Okay, so it's a different rice. Ah, okay. Ikaw na gino, dapat mo try ko later. Ikaduha. So this is thank you. And the Samgyeopsal for $2.99. They also have offer for $3.99. And so on. Asa na bang menu? Ikaw na lang. Anyway. See, it's so cute. So I'm cooking now. I'll cook the meaty part. Inano siya may whatever onions. Wala sila eh. Kaya nga ano ba? Pepper or... So, di na ka mag-pepper. Ah, okay. So,
Like you're really craving for
Aha.
meat, and then you wanted somewhat healthy, then you just order samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal. Samgyeopsal means pork. Oh my gosh! We have the doenjang. Doenjang chicken. What?
Doenjang chicken.
Doenjang chicken.
Chicken means
She's been correcting me for like 5 times already. Vegetable. So it has kimbap, which I was calling maki. Huh? Bora. Okay, so first, cabbage, rice, sumukha kang meat, onions, tapos,
or if you want,
we're showing you how to eat the Korean way.
you can eat it. That's it.
Okay. So this is the shop. It's in Country Mall. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.